Hi dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is difference between international politics and international relations. Let's start. In the present era of coexistence and confrontation, the international relation and international politics has become two sides of the same coin. The international politics is the system and contrivance of decision making that concerns the procuring of national interest from the global community without jeopardizing their national interest or others' national interest. International relations are the study and analysis of interaction among sovereign states, which include political, economic, social, cultural, geographical, legal, and non-official relations. International politics is official relations between governments of sovereign states and covers political and diplomatic aspects. International politics reveals how two states interact with each other despite major disputes and issues. International politics unravels how US are a major power interact with Russia, which is also a major power, China, which is also a major power, and other states of the world. How regional states cooperate with each other, how states find ways in complicated international politics. The methodology of the study of international relations is descriptive, while that of international politics is purely analytical. In international relations, the factors are studied chronically, while in international politics the basis of study is what, when, how of the past, present and future relationship among the states of global community. International relations covers all aspects of relations, including social, economic, diplomatic, commercial, and international politics itself. International politics is the study of conflicts and interaction among states. It is struggle for and use of power among nations. National politics is a sort of adjustment of relationship within a state. Their domestic policy, it concerns with domestic policy. According to Morgenthau, international politics is the struggle for and use of power among nations. K.W. Thompson, his book, The Theory and Practice of International Relations, defined international politics as the study of rivalry or conflict and confrontation among nations and conditions and institutions which ameliorate or exacerbate these relationships. The term politics within a state means interaction among the people and institutions to achieve their social cohesion, economic prosperity, and political stability and lead a happier life within the limits of state. National politics is a sort of adjustment of relationship within states and among individuals or groups. The study Quincy Wright in his book The Study of International Relations defined politics as the art of influencing, manipulating or controlling major groups so as to advance the purpose of some against other. International politics is the study of conflict, issues and interactions among states to achieve their vital national interest without jeopardizing interest of other states. It is inferred and deduced that international politics is a mechanism and continuous process by which states manipulate to protect their incompatible interest by means of interaction, collaboration, persuasion, and eventually use of force, like Russia used force in Ukraine, United States used force in Afghanistan, and in many other countries. The end of colonialism from the world, technological and military advancement, economic development, new social and democratic values and ideologies, desire for peaceful order, new working of United Nations organization, or altered the contour of international politics. The international politics helps study and analyze the behavior of one particular state or major state with the rest of the world, how any state interact or behave with other countries of earth. It reveals causes of conflicts, what are the cause of any conflict, efforts and factors that solved it so that other states may follow that strategy to avoid any critical situation in future. International politics shows the path to confrontation and peaceful coexistence in the world. It shows how to deal different countries at different time to attain vital national interest. It shows how to align with one group of countries and consider its global repercussions. Good luck.